In this video tutorial, we will teach you how to mark messages as important in WhatsApp. With more than 2 billion users and 100 billion messages exchanged daily, WhatsApp is one of the most used instant messaging platforms. You can send text, locations, documents, photos, and videos to your friends or family members and place voice and video calls. While you may have been using WhatsApp for years, here are 10 hidden features that you probably don't know about that save time and protect your privacy. If you are in the middle of a WhatsApp conversation and someone sends you important information, you can mark the WhatsApp message to find it easily later. For WhatsApp in Android, long press on the WhatsApp chat, whether it's text, a photo, or a video, and tap on the star icon on the top panel. For WhatsApp in iOS, long press on the WhatsApp chat, whether it's text, a photo, or a video, and select the star option from the list that appears.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for supporting us. For more tips, tricks and useful videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Star World TV. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.